Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Before we start today's video, I would request you all, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to HW News Network's YouTube channel, like this video, comment below it, and if you're watching this video on Facebook, then please make sure you like our page and you share this video to as many people as possible. The coronavirus cases in the country have hit another worrisome high. For the last 5 days, India has been reporting more than 2 lakh coronavirus cases daily, and the tally is only rising further. There are multiple accounts being reported from various states, various cities that patients are not finding beds, they are not finding remdesivir. The oxygen levels of patients are fast dropping, but there is a shortage of oxygen cylinders. Families are struggling to find oxygen cylinders for their loved ones, and this is not only in rural or Tier 2 or Tier 3 cities. It is happening in metro cities. It is happening in cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Lucknow, Ahmedabad. Amid this horrifying scenario on the health front, Railway Minister Piyush Goyal's statement on supply of oxygen cylinders has sparked a controversy. Union Minister Piyush Goyal said that the state governments should control the growing demand for oxygen as the country witnesses the highest number of daily COVID-19 cases in the world. Piyush Goyal's comments have now drawn sharp criticism from the opposition. Piyush Goyal said on Sunday that state governments should keep demand for medical oxygen under control. Demand-side management is as important as supply-side management. Containing COVID-19 spread is the responsibility of the state governments, and they should fulfill this responsibility. Let us see first what exactly Piyush Goyal said.
लेकिन ये स्वाभाविक है कि हमें महामारी को रोकना पड़ेगा, जैसा माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सबको अपील की है कि इसको रोकना पड़ेगा, रैशनल यूज करना पड़ेगा, ऑक्सीजन का वेस्टेज रोकनी पड़ेगी.
Now, Piyush Goyal's remarks have sparked widespread outrage, with critics questioning the deft tone of the statement. Earlier on Saturday, Piyush Goyal was engaged in a war of words with Maharashtra's MVA government over the same issue. The MVA had said that when Uddhav Thackeray called Prime Minister Modi to talk about the shortage of remdesivir and oxygen in the state, he was told that PM Modi is in Bengal in campaign. Responding sharply to the accusation, Piyush Goyal had said that the state government should take the responsibility and stop indulging in shameless politics. He also said that Maharashtra has so far received the highest quantity of oxygen in India, and the centre is in regular touch with the state governments to assess their needs. This is the second time that Piyush Goyal has made a statement on the oxygen supply issue. However, his statement this time invited a lot of criticism. AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi took a sly dig at the union minister. He said that every hospital is choked, healthcare staff is overwhelmed. People are cremating and burying their dear ones without even chance to help them. For over a year, your government did nothing to improve healthcare infrastructure. Now people should stop breathing. Gravity Babu, Gyan Dena Band Karo. This is what Owaisi tweeted. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party's Preeti Sharma Menon even demanded that Piyush Goyal should be booked for his comments. She tweeted, "Why should Piyush Goyal not be charged under the Pandemic Act? He is cruel, insensitive, and literally asking state governments to deprive patients of oxygen. He is just a sophisticated Sambhaji Phide." Rajasthan Chief Minister and senior Congress leader Ashok Gehlot also condemned the comments by Piyush Goyal. He said that he condemns this insensitive statement of Piyush Goyal. In the difficult times of the COVID pandemic, state governments need oxygen for patients admitted to their hospitals, not for their private use. Congress's Manish Tiwari said that this passing the buck with great respect is morally repugnant, especially when people are dying, not expected from a union cabinet minister. Another Congress leader, Digvijay Singh, hit back at Piyush Goyal, saying that oxygen demand is need-based. How can it be kept in control? From day one, all doctors were saying that the only treatment for COVID is through O2 supply, that is the oxygen supply. Government of India failed to plan for emergency, as they have failed on all the fronts to deal with COVID virus. Now, while Piyush Goyal is being criticized for his statement, on the other hand, he also declared that Green Corridor will be used to run Oxygen Express train for faster delivery of oxygen to states. Meanwhile, the centre on Sunday also banned the supply of the gas for industrial purposes except in 9 specified areas and expedited installation of 162 PSA plants in health facilities across the country. Well, do let us know what you think about this in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. A very small request to all of our viewers, if you like the journalism that we do, if you like the videos that we do, please go to our YouTube page, click on the join button. You can join our membership program and support us. If you click on the join button, you will get to know about the levels of membership that we offer, and the perks and benefits under each level of membership will be explained to you in the video that is following. So please do join our membership program, do support us, do pay us. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.